I wasn't going to bother to show you this because I just couldn't be bothered. I feel pretty messed up in terms of fatigue and stuff. This was the hairpiece that I took off my head. It's a lace piece. Basically, I had the glue shining through the front. There were bits missing. It was just basically disgusting. It's gone, right? Now I've just put on a poly piece. It's not the Hairbro piece. It's a piece from LordHair, from the custom rectangles that I bought. But this is poly, not lace. And I think you would mostly like it. I would still point out, if I had good visibility here, that yeah, there are straight lines there to be seen. My visibility is poor because the sun's directly in my eyes and there's nothing I can do about that. Once I move this entire mirror over there, I've got a little mirror, but I'm not going to try and set that up over there. Okay, so brushing it back like that, it starts to look pretty good on the hairline, right? But my face is so fucking haggard. Look how grey I'm going. The curls started getting long, so that curls back around here. The curls just want to come back at this point, right? So I need to shorten it or lengthen it. But now I can't have long hair ever again because my greys have become all encompassing. So I'm gonna have to continue to try to keep all of that pretty short. So that long flowy hair that I always enjoyed having has basically hit a grey wall, forbidding me from ever having long sides again. Keeping that short while still keeping the front fringy is going to be a struggle until I get the exact hair cut right. Now I know that there are certain men throughout history who've just had the same haircut their whole lives. So maybe I just should find a hairdresser. By the way, this video is all about the beard. You might think the beard, yeah, it suits me or whatever, right? But it's a bright red. I mean, can you see it in this? Fucking get off me, stupid sun. All right? Bright red, don't want a bright red beard. So I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm going to the dentist today where they'll have a bright light on my face. They'll be able to see my hairline. That's why I took that other hair piece off. I was feeling embarrassed. I didn't want to be seen like that. Now if I had a brown beard instead of a red beard, I would potentially keep this goatee. Oh, I'm starting to get greys in here as well. Age is really hitting me pretty hard at the moment. Not just at the moment, for the rest of my life. It's like going through puberty. I didn't like going through puberty. Although I'd never had an orgasm before, so I can't complain about that. But the simplicity of childhood was gone. And I guess the simplicity now of adulthood is gone, and as I give way to the fucking Y generation and the Z generation, who will inherit the world from me. And I never did anything with it. Too busy crying. I'll try to style this, but if I don't succeed, I'll shave it off. I'm sure the dentist doesn't give a shit. He's seen a lot of different faces and mouths over the years. But the thing is, I can't really try to look cool cool or go with a style or start getting my ears pierced at this point. You know, it's too late for any of that. And this bushiness at the back has got to go because that always protrudes. And if I want to keep the sides short, then it suddenly gets buffy back here. And none of that works. And I can't have these strings either. That's got to all be styled neatly. Not too neatly though, because otherwise the haggard face juts out at you. Got to have some flop to it all. Also, losing weight wouldn't be a bad idea. Should probably do something. I've just found out I've been paying gym membership for the last year and a half throughout COVID. And I thought they'd cancelled it all, but they haven't. They've been charging me, the fuckers. I'm gonna go with a, no, 6 is a bit short. I always regret 6. I'm gonna go 9 if I can find it. 9, here we go. On the sideburns. Looks like it probably didn't take anything off. But if I go short, it becomes see-through. And that doesn't look like I've got sideburns at all. I'm getting to an age almost like where I can't even have sideburns because I look like I'm trying too hard as an old man. You know what I mean? I've got to basically blend into the background because I'm old now. Sure, I'm glad I changed that hairpiece. It was so good to put poly on again as well. I need to find a style with my hair. Yeah, in bright sunlight you can really see those lines. They're like cornfields, just really straight rows. It's not good because the V-lips are not bleached at the base. As far as I know, there is no company that bleaches them. The best you could hope for is to get a blonde hairpiece and do it yourself. This color match is not bad at all compared to that last one. So thank goodness I've still got 2 of these cuts left from the lace. Where this was the wrong color, green basically. Yeah, this grey is just going to be a hassle, isn't it? So there's nothing I can really do without getting a haircut to blend that. I need some sort of brushed forward look in a way because otherwise it'll be, it's too long. Otherwise my hairline will be exposed. Even though it looks pretty good at a distance, close up you can see that it's got those cornfield rows. So I need to basically put something in my hair and let it sort of rest like it is kind of now. Jeez, I wish that wasn't there. So I'm gonna just put in some kind of basic hair product, this stuff. Bit of water. You can see how good the poly hairline is, and that will never get dirty either. It will eventually, but it's just, if you compare it to lace, you know, there's no fucking comparison. I never want to have lace again. I had a couple of people asking questions. I thought you didn't like lace. Why are you wearing lace? Like, didn't I explain it to you? I have. People just don't watch the videos properly. Not that I would either. I'd just be like, Just answer my fucking question. Dance, monkey. So luckily, I've now surpassed 1 million views on my channel. Thank you for watching very much. I know it wasn't all you, but it was all of you. And I know how awful it sounds when somebody is talking to this little black dot here and talking to you in general as if you're multiple people. You're not, you're just you. You're the only person I'm talking to. Don't think you're one of many, you're not. You're the only, I'm exclusively giving you this information. And that's the truth. Maybe the sideburns are a little bit long. I will change this shirt as well. What's that thing called again? The Targus or something? I made a video and named it that so I wouldn't forget, but I've forgotten. The Tagrum, whatever they are called, they're a good name for a band. So long as I keep my sideburns short, the greys don't wire out. And I am going to continue to become more and more like, fucking, who's the guy who works at the Daily Planet? The guy in charge, who's middle-aged. That's me. All right, into the other light. My fat ass. So fat. Oh man, look at that bald spot. It's pretty honest lighting, isn't it? Okay, well, I'm ready for the dentist.